So Monday, March 3rd, and this machine's ready to go. And one of the things we'd mentioned the other day was the window had been cracked. Dad had a spare window.
This is the first thing we done is open the front and put power steering in, new blower motor and fan, and a horn and shocks.
Okay. Dad's reviewing the whole job here for everybody start to finish.
And then real locks, LED headlights,
Yeah.
high and low beam, new windshield wipers, arms and blades, bumper, rebuilt skis,
Spring dampers.
new springs, new spring dampers, new ski arms,
Yeah.
and new axle arms, like steering arms.
Yeah.
See? Then mirrors, paint job, new rat. See the size of that cooler?
Yeah, huge cooler.
Brackets for taillights that are standing straight. Guards over top of your
Gas tank cover
gas tank covers.
or gas caps.
This is the light for checking your motor. New gas tanks.
And you guys can get those from Dennis Evans in Regina. Door fan.
Door fan. Dual batteries. Dual switches for power.
Okay.
New bearings, new tires.
New belts, bearings, wheels, or tires, rims and bearings.
Races
This
and
is
seals.
the heavy duty axle with a swamp buggy rear end. And this is just a cleanup in here and an upholstery cleaned up. This should be redone, but it hasn't been yet. We had a cracked window, but that's changed this morning. All the doors got door stops. Fan, dash shifter, electric power steering, and all the switches are labeled.
Okay.
Custom seat. We've gone through from one end to the other.
So this is the Snow 75, guys. It is March 3rd and it is done. No more further test runs. It's ready to go to its forever home, which is Peter's yard or whoever he sells it to.
Okay.
Lot of work done on this machine.
From the pudding. Just listen. In case you wonder how it runs.
There you go.
Shifter. And all the gauges
Everything.
are marked.
There you go. So there you go, guys. It is ready to go home. And what's the next project? Airboats or another Bombardier?
No, this is going out. Once Randy shows up, I want to check the RPM gauge,
Okay.
and then it goes out. And 2 airboats.
There you go, guys. That's the next project.
All the doors are mounted on well-done door hinges. You can take any of them off by just going like this.
Yeah, perfect. And they go back on quite easily. There. Done.